Good morning, traders. This is Chris from thetradingmentors.com. Hope you're well. This is the early morning briefing for the 24th of October. It is 6:30 in the morning. Very early here in the UK, so excuse my croaky voice. Something's happening in the markets and the dollar has gone weak. We've got change of character and we've got a fresh sell signal in the advanced pro charts. So we should be getting ready. In addition to that, the yen futures are looking good to fall down in the next few days. Not quite clear about that. The Swiss franc continues up and is strong. Hence the trades we've had highly successful on the Swiss franc. US 30, Dow Jones has gone weak and parabolic. So has the Hang Seng. So has the Aussie 200. And the DAX, we're in some of those. I'll be doing a full analysis for members this afternoon. Congratulations if you traded the Bitcoin. Put this into the signals. Over 3,000 pips in the last few days. Silver continues to be on the upside, along with gold, of course. Oil continues down on this move, but it hasn't changed character, so therefore we could see a bounce. We'll have to wait and see for that. Gold, a fantastic swing low now. This indicates a strong bullish behavior. So as you can see, we've gained, I don't know how many pips, thousands of pips in the last couple of weeks during this move, and we are going to continue more. Next target 2037. Now, because the DXY has gone weak, euro dollar has gone long and is now parabolic. I'm expecting a pullback in the next few hours down to this support line of 106.34 and further upside momentum. Contrary to that, I am short US Swiss to the downside in profit, heading for our weekly target of 86.99. Pound yen has gone parabolic, guys. Been waiting for this and don't ignore it. The price has broken to the upside. Everyone's selling it on YouTube and Twitter. Good luck with that. So this does depend on the yen futures, which I'll do more analysis later on. Euro yen, congratulations if you are in it. We're in profit, heading for our target. We've got a very big target. We've got two targets. 163.62 and then onward to 169. This much depends on the collapse of the yen futures. Swiss yen, congratulations. I don't know how many pips we've got here. It's ridiculous. Way over 500 pips on the early move and continue upwards to our target 169.50. Euro Canadian to the upside and continues upwards. Everyone's selling this on Twitter. Happy days. Good luck with that, guys. And what else? Aussie Swiss is the red hot favorite to sell off. We've got a big target of 54.86. Euro Aussie, congratulations, guys, if you are in this. We've been in it for a while. Pound New Zealand, I'm not in this one, but congratulations if you are. Aussie New Zealand, Euro New Zealand. So fresh trades coming up. It's all going to be dollar related in the next few days if the dollar continues its collapse, if that is what's going to happen. And also one thing to note here is the VIX. The VIX is now above 20. When it's above 20, this indicates high volatility in the markets. And therefore, this is getting ready for a big move. It's now parabolic to the upside, and that indicates further upside momentum in the VIX, and therefore highly volatile. And that means all markets crashing, possibly. Now, of course, we're all waiting for the news to come out from Israel. Everyone seems to be waiting for that news. So, let's hope they can sort it out. But the markets aren't looking hopeful. But so the fresh trades to look out for, and I'll be doing more analysis this afternoon, is euro dollar to the upside. Pound yen possibly to the upside. Euro yen to the upside. Swiss yen further upside to 169.50. Euro Canadian to the upside. Aussie Swiss to the downside, waiting for another fresh sell. I've got 2 positions on that. Euro Aussie to the upside, and pound New Zealand. I don't like those, but nonetheless. So some fantastic moves, and congratulations on Bitcoin members over 3,000. I mean, I had a ridiculous target of 33,000, but it shot there overnight. So congratulations, over 3,000 pips.